What the actual And he used my logo in the promotion for it too. I hate what this platform is turning into. AI was one of the many responses to MrBeast's catastrophic launch of his AI thumbnail generator app, which has turned almost the whole internet against him once again. MrBeast ruined YouTube along with the Paul brothers. I already didn't like MrBeast, now I really don't like MrBeast.
Damn, what MrBeast did like that? I ain't know you, like, damn. Hold on.
From creating custom results from any channel to literally being able to put your face on a thumbnail, it literally feels like cheating.
The wording, quote, "it literally feels like cheating," rubbed a lot of people the wrong way, as just putting your face on someone else's thumbnail, even without AI, is basically cheating, and an issue that MrBeast had brought it.
I just know.
A completely unrelated question. Do you like MrBeast? No.
Not. Oh yeah. Damn.
Jack.
What? When they start beefing? Why you don't like MrBeast? Damn. YouTube, man, what's good? It's your boy FSD coming back with another video, and man, today we got MrBeast is getting exposed again. Now I don't know what he getting exposed for. You know what I'm saying? We all know MrBeast a legend. You know what I'm saying? He paving the way for a lot of creators. As you know, even myself, you know what I'm saying? He's showing creators this shit possible. So shout out to MrBeast. Gotta always give him his flowers, but we gotta see what he getting exposed for. That's tough. What y'all exposing MrBeast for, my nigga? You know what I'm saying? What he done did? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, though. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my second channel, fsdeelive. Let's get it.
What the actual And he used my logo in the promotion for it too. I hate what this platform is turning into. AI was one of the many responses to MrBeast's catastrophic launch of his AI thumbnail generator app, which has turned almost the whole internet against him once again. Let's be honest, MrBeast made it clear the type of man he is when he partnered with Logan Paul and KSI. MrBeast ruined YouTube along with the Paul brothers. I already didn't like MrBeast, now I really don't like MrBeast. Hi, I'm the internet anarchist. I create.
Damn, what MrBeast did like that? I ain't know you, like, damn. Hold on.
YouTube documentaries, and today we'll be looking into the most recent controversy surrounding none other than MrBeast and his disastrous AI thumbnail generator launch. MrBeast is YouTube's poster boy, the platform's most subscribed creator, and the first channel new users see. Yet even at the top, he's spent the past year dodging controversy, facing a mix of proven slip-ups and shaky allegations that keep pulling him back into the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. Throughout 2025, MrBeast stayed out of controversy for the most part. However, a tweet he posted in June turned everyone against him yet again. For some context, back in 2024, MrBeast announced the launch of his website ViewStats, which was a competitor to sites like Social Blade, which allow users to access the public analytics of their favorite YouTubers. Within ViewStats, there was also an optional paid subscription, which just provided tools that helped creators find good topics for videos and keep track of other competitor channels in their niche. Fast forward to the 20th of June in the present year, MrBeast would announce the launch of his AI thumbnail generator tool on X with a now deleted tweet that read, "ViewStats just dropped AI thumbnails, and it takes the guesswork out of what thumbnails will perform. Just prompt what you're looking for and it will generate a data-backed viral thumbnail." Along with this announcement, a video was posted across.
I ain't gonna lie though, that's a dope ass idea though. You know what I'm saying? In terms of like, that is, you know what I'm saying, that's big for YouTubers, because thumbnails is the most important fucking shit on this shit. Like, you know what I'm saying, the thumbnail gotta bring the audience in, so, you know what I'm saying, but damn though, that's tough. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment below. Y'all watch MrBeast? I ain't gonna lie, I don't watch MrBeast on a daily. Like, he ain't nobody who I watch on a daily, but I respect him. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I watch him enough. Like, so I got a few reaction videos out, you know, with MrBeast related content, but like I don't really be too tapped in with MrBeast, but everything I do watch be bangers. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why I say I gotta get a nigga his flowers. Like, bro, the content he make is damn that, like, bro, like I be questioning how the fuck he put this shit in motion half of the time. But you know what I'm saying? He deserved that shit, bro. He been grinding this YouTube shit since he was a kid. So like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas be, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to MrBeast, bro.
Social media of Jimmy explaining how to use the tool and its many borderline unethical features.
There's a new way to make professional looking viral thumbnails with zero Photoshop experience. And the best part is, this new method works in every niche. Whether you do gaming, cooking, beauty, this works for all of them. From creating custom results from any channel to literally being able to put your face on a thumbnail, it literally feels like cheating.
The wording, quote, "it literally feels like cheating," rubbed a lot of people the wrong way, as just putting your face on someone else's thumbnail, even without AI, is basically cheating, and an issue that MrBeast had brought attention to in the past, with a tweet that read, "The largest channel in Russia just takes my thumbnails and photoshops his face on mine." Now, AI generating a face on the thumbnail seems to be the next level of sliminess, which is concerning to see be promoted by the biggest and most influential creator on the platform. But the video just gets worse, as Jimmy makes the claim that you can just type in any channel name and still, take inspiration from their style.
This is the home of the AI tool where you can type in any channel on all of YouTube and it will use it as inspiration for the thumbnail it's generating.
What's ironic about that clip is that on screen, when displaying the channels you can copy the style of, he shares Penguin Zero's channel, a creator known for not even adding custom thumbnails to his videos in the first place. Seeing this, I decided to attempt to generate a Penguin Zero style thumbnail for this video I'm creating to see what happened. The results it generated were interesting to say the least. Later in the demonstration video, MrBeast utilizes the tool himself to generate a thumbnail of his own style, and despite the results likely being cherry-picked, it was still awful.
So for example, let's say you're MrBeast. You would just type in MrBeast here. Now it's going to look at all my recent videos and get inspiration from them. And for the prompt, I'm going to type in stranded on a volcano. And there you go, we now have a thumbnail with me dangling on the side of a volcano.
Out of curiosity, I decided...
I ain't lying, AI is so advanced, bro. Like, what the fuck? Bro, AI is so advanced, bro. I'm even starting to hear about certain artists or like certain rappers, like musical artists, like using AI for like some of their like EP covers and like album covers and stuff like that. Like, bro, I didn't even know that was a thing. I'm like, bro, that's crazy. Like, this shit, like, you could use AI for everything now. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could put your face on somebody else's face, you know what I'm saying? That shit, bro, this is actually crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? But that just go to show you how advanced stuff is now.
try the exact prompt MrBeast used during the video to see if I would get a similar result, and on a first attempt it didn't even let me generate the thumbnail. Upon trying and waiting a second time, it worked, and the results were just about as bad as you might expect. Later in the video, Jimmy continues to show examples of the thumbnail generator, even flexing how it doesn't need to take inspiration from other creators.
Let's say you don't want to take inspiration from a YouTube channel. You don't have to. As you can see here, I have a very descriptive prompt describing a Minecraft block that is glowing rainbow colors and vibrant Minecraft grass with trees in the background with no YouTube inspiration. So now let's hit generate, and I think you're going to be impressed with what this comes up with. I have not altered this in any way. Look at this thumbnail it came up with. That is actually insane. All from one single prompt and no inspiration from any other channel.
That thumbnail actually looked kind of nice, so I decided to run the same exact prompt in MrBeast's thumbnail generator to see what results I would get as a normal user. And to say the result was disappointing would be an understatement. I mean, what happened to the perspective of this image? Something that rubbed me the wrong way with this whole video was how MrBeast presents this tool as a complete solution for thumbnails, and makes it seem like by using the tool, you will automatically go viral.
You can type literally anything you want, and it will generate a thumbnail for you in a style that will make a viral YouTube video.
MrBeast would even demonstrate a feature where you can just link any YouTube video and copy the thumbnail.
3, to show you how all out we went on this AI thumbnail tool, you can also copy a URL from any YouTube video. We'll just paste this one I have here, and in the prompt box, just tell it what to change to the thumbnail. To demonstrate, I have this F1 thumbnail with an F1 car, and so in the prompt, I'm just gonna simply type in change F1 car to minivan. That is all I'm typing in. I'm gonna hit generate. Let's see what it produces. And boom, it's done. I'm not even joking. Look, it swapped out the F1 race car.
I ain't lying, though. It's that, bro. That app is so convenient for so many people who really just like find it stressful when it come down to thumbnails, because I ain't gonna lie, me personally, I love making thumbnails like from scratch, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just hit a little different, like, you know what I'm saying, putting your own twist on the thumbnail, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Now here and there with certain videos, depending on like the reaction video I do, sometimes I do kind of like tend to like kind of reuse a thumbnail that you know, that person put out or something. Like I got a few videos where I do that, but you know what I'm saying, for the most part I try to incorporate, you know, add my little soft touches into a video, because you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day it's about me, so I just want, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know how to feel about this though. Like I feel like this not really exposing nothing for real. I mean, like this really just helping lazy people who don't want to make thumbnails, you know what I'm saying? Who would rather just let AI make it. You know what I'm saying? That's really what this shit come down to. But I don't think it's, you know what I'm saying, he should be getting pressed. Now it's probably some of his word choices throughout this ad, maybe. I can see why people mad, but you know, he gotta make it sound good. You know what I'm saying?
Hey man, that was it. I just typed in a prompt and it swapped it. This is crazy.
The way he hyped up that thumbnail was crazy, especially considering it is literally something that could be done in less time than the thumbnail takes to generate in Photoshop, as it's just swapping out the PNG of an F1 car for a van. But the video only gets worse, as the next feature Jimmy shows off is literally designed to steal someone else's thumbnail and slap your face on it. The exact thing Jimmy spoke out about in the past when it happened to him.
If you really like the thumbnail you're generating, but not the face on it, don't worry. We have this face swap tool that you can click, upload a face you do like, and it will instantly swap it onto the thumbnail. To show you how simple this is, I'm gonna take a photo of my face. Okay. I'm now gonna hit face swap and take the thumbnail from this to this automatically.
If you watched closely in that clip, you would see that the thumbnail he claims to be the result of the face swap was actually the original output prior to the swap. The thumbnail he displayed as the before didn't even exist in the previous generation. While this could be chalked up to a simple editing error, it is still misleading, and based on the amount of time that was shown on screen, I have a feeling they knew what was going on. MrBeast closes off the video with a bold statement that this is the future of thumbnails, and that it's officially over for graphic designers.
I could go on and on, but this is the future of YouTube thumbnails. No more complicated Photoshop and having to get a PhD in how to edit things and figure out what 1,000 buttons do. Now, you can literally just type into a prompt what you want, and it'll give it to you.
Immediately after the announcement went live, MrBeast began receiving massive amounts of backlash, including a tweet from YouTube legend Jacksepticeye, who previously got into controversy when he stated that YouTube...
Bro, I ain't hear about Jack in a little minute, but I know he's still going crazy. He another YouTube legend who been like consistent for a long ass time, you know what I'm saying? I'm still subscribed to him though, but I don't be really hearing much about him. I know he really be on the gaming side of YouTube for real, so you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jack though, bro. And bro, legend, no cap.
For the worse, and that he doesn't like MrBeast and thought he was ruining YouTube.
Would you say YouTube's changed for the worse? Yes. Now, Jack.
Let's verify that
I just know. Now, Jack, a completely unrelated question. Do you like MrBeast? No.
Not. Oh yeah. Damn.
Jack.
What? When they start beefing, why he don't like MrBeast? Damn, Jack.
You think MrBeast ruined YouTube? Yes. Now, in all honesty, Jack, why? Because it became more about views, money, and popularity than it did about having fun.
Jack's tweet.
I don't know. How y'all feel about that? I don't think MrBeast. Nah. I don't think I agree with that. I don't see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to feel about that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go no comment on that, but that's debatable. Y'all think MrBeast ruined YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to feel about that, Jack. You know what I'm saying? Y'all give me y'all opinion on that in the comments.
Reaffirmed this, stating, "What the actual F?" And he used my logo in the promotion for it too. "I hate what this platform is turning into. FAI." This tweet was in response to how MrBeast used Jack's channel logo as an example of channels his AI can clone. Jack's tweet would go viral, garnering over 24 million views and supportive comments, with even Dan TDM calling it, quote, "depressing," and popular YouTuber Point Crow pointing out,
Dan TDM on, like, man, let me see what Eric said.
for thee but not for me, in reference to when MrBeast complained about this issue in the past. Something MrBeast states multiple times is that his tool is intended to, quote, level the playing field, you know, to help smaller creators who are starting out to be able to make better content and grow faster. However, funnily enough, this tool costs $79.99 a month, so it definitely seems more targeted towards already successful channels. Also, you can literally buy ChatGPT Premium for
Bro, that's why I said I'm straight, bro. I'm just making my thumbnails from scratch, my nigga. I'm making my shit from scratch, bro. I'm not doing all this AI shit, bro. I'd rather just spend a couple of more minutes on trying to make a thumbnail than you know what I'm saying, go through that whole process. And y'all looking at how much it costs a month, my nigga. I'm good on that.
A month and have similar, if not better, capabilities when it comes to generating images. AI thumbnail generators are nothing new. Tools like Pixels have existed a while before MrBeast launched his. The difference now is that MrBeast is marketing these tools to the general public and completely normalizing the usage of them in a way that seems to reduce creative jobs rather than empower creators. Within 24 hours after the immense backlash he already received, MrBeast deleted his announcement tweet, and the drama alert promotion video was also removed, likely in an effort to reduce the controversy and silence the outrage. MrBeast would also make the decision to engage directly with one of his most vocal critics, Point Crow, who revealed in a tweet that MrBeast had reached out to him personally, tweeting, "Had a chat with MrBeast about his AI thumbnail creation tool. While I'm uncertain what will be happening moving forward, I voiced my thoughts directly to him. Great idea to want to make content creation more accessible, but this isn't remotely the solution to that, and fundamentally hurts creators as a whole." Where MrBeast responded by promising.
I agree with that, because like it's gonna make creators like lazy, like, and then like honestly with YouTube, bro, once you get lazy with YouTube, you kind of like fall out of love with it. You know what I'm saying? Once the love gone, you lose interest in it. You know what I'm saying? So like with him making it so easy for smaller creators to do this shit, like, bro, a lot of, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna take away the creativity and shit. You know what I'm saying? Because like, bro, it don't take that much time to just sit down and think of like a thumbnail idea. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time with thumbnails, all you gotta do is just make a thumbnail related to what you talking about that's going on in a video. You know, just capture that moment that you really said the most about, depending on the type of content you do. Because I mean, this vary between gaming videos, IRL content, like whatever the video pretty much about, make that the thumbnail, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's really what this shit come down to. But like, I don't know, like that is gonna take away, like it's gonna make it too easier for upcoming creators, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it is convenient, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you got the money to put into that. If you really big on thumbnails, you know what I'm saying? Like that, it's like a, bro, it's pros and cons. I just say that it's pros and cons to it.
Update the app to only let face swap work on your own thumbnails, stating, "I appreciate the feedback. I love the YouTube community more than anyone can remotely comprehend. Already working on changes, like face swap should only be used to swap your face on your thumbnail, obviously not others. And overall, I'll build this more in a way to be an inspiration for artists, a tool they can use and not replace them. Very good feedback. My goal with ViewStats is to build tools to level the playing field between people like me with 300 employees and new creators that can't afford a small army." MrBeast's response was met with even more backlash, with Dark Viper AU stating, "Wanting to level the playing field between those with 300 employees and those without means you want to make those 300 people redundant, meaning they won't have jobs. Seems like your tool is designed to enable firing your artists while getting $50 from everyone else. Out of touch, evil genius move." Overall, MrBeast has been receptive to the feedback, as Mudaha suggested he build ViewStats into a system for creators to get in touch with actual artists, to which MrBeast seemed open to the idea. Whilst MrBeast has removed his promotional post for the AI thumbnail generator, the tool itself still exists and is accessible through ViewStats. Despite the hate and controversy that spawned from this, MrBeast likely made and will continue to make a ton of money from this tool, and there's not a real incentive to actually make the changes he promised, as nearly everyone against AI wasn't going to pay for it in the first place. Only time will tell if MrBeast will actually implement the changes he promised, or if he'll simply wait for the dust to settle.
This one.
Well, yeah, man, that's the Mr. B situation. Like I said, I don't really got nothing like no crazy opinion on it. I mean, like I said, when we're starting a business, you gonna always have pros and cons. You know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff that he mentioned that's accessible with the app or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It might be over the top. You know what I'm saying? It might just it might ruin a creative like motive. You know what I'm saying? To make thumbnails and stuff like that. But like at the end of the day, bro, if you really just genuinely got a love for this shit, you gonna really put in the time and effort to make sure, you know what I'm saying, you really in that creative bag. So I don't know, bro. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this situation, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. Road to 5K. FSD out, man.